Hey there! Today we're going to compare two worlds to learn some super useful English phrases.
We're going to look at the differences between Earth and Mars to get us started.
So how can we talk about big ideas or even disagree, but politely? Let's find out.
We're going to focus on 4 key things to really level up your conversational English.
Okay, part 1. Let's dive in. How do you start a discussion with your own idea? The speaker here uses this phrase to introduce something they believe is true. It's a great opener. All right, part 2. So how do you compare two really different things, clearly? The magic word here is whereas. It's a perfect signal that a direct comparison is coming. And check this out. It really shows the point. Mars's average temp is like Earth's coldest spot. Okay, part 3, disagreeing. This can be tricky, right? Let's see how to do it politely. No way. Wow, that's pretty strong and informal, but it clearly shows you have a different view. But here's the crucial part. You've got to follow it up with a reason. Always explain why. And here's the proof. See? The chart clearly shows Mars is way further from the sun. But wait, the other speaker comes back with a whole new way to look at it. So an astronomical unit, or AU, it totally changes how we think about these huge distances. Part 4. So after you disagree, how do you bring it back together and find some common ground? I see what you mean. This little phrase is golden. It shows you get their point of view. And when you look at the numbers this way, yeah, the distance doesn't seem so big after all. All right, let's pull all this together into your own conversational toolkit. Ready for a recap? So here they are. Keep these 4 key phrases handy for your next English discussion.
Okay, now it's your turn. So how can you start practicing these skills right away?
Just follow these 3 simple steps. They'll really help build your confidence and fluency. So, what will you talk about? Thinking about it now is the best way to start improving today.